Okay, I'm back in Silang and here is my langka tree. There, marami siyang bunga. Medyo mataas siya. Ayan, maraming bunga ang langka. Ayan, malinis ang kapaligiran. Ito, meron akong ferns here in this side. And I have a small fountain here. Nilalagyan ko siya ng detergent para hindi tumira ang dengue mosquito. Hindi siya naka-on right now eh. Actually, matagal ko nang hindi ino-on yan. I don't even know if it works. Okay. So, dito naman, ayan, may flowering plant tayo rito. Wild to eh. It's a wild flower. Low maintenance. Kahit hindi ako makauwi ng isang buwan, nandyan pa din siya. O, diba? And this is, ano nga to? Anong herb nga to? I forgot. Yung may amoy. And then I have this potos plant sa mga plantita. You know that? Ayan. This one kasi, this herb, may amoy yan. It emits a certain smell. Which, halimbawa, may mga ahas dyan, pag napunta sila dyan, it will drive them away because the snake doesn't like the smell of the that this herb emits. So, dapat ganyang kind of plants ang meron kayo. Very low maintenance and parang protection against snakes. Here naman is my mango tree. Walang prutas right now. Yeah, no fruits. There used to be low-lying fruits, pero wala na eh. Yeah, my maki plant serves as a barrier. So maki to. This is maki. Yan, here. Very strong yung branches niya. Hindi mo yan madaling ma-penetrate. Mataas na siya, parang it was just like here when here nung mga lang yan, 6 inches lang yan nung tinanim namin 10 years ago. But now look, taas na siya. And it serves as a gate for me. Tapos I have some ornamental plants here. And then there's this wild plant also that covers the trunk of the tree. Ang ganda nga na effect niya. I don't know how it's called. Hindi ko yan tinanim. Natumubo na lang siya. This is my gumamela plant. For the first time, wala siyang bulaklak. Hindi ako sanay kasi lagi may bulaklak yan. Ayun, meron siyang bulaklak on this part. Ayun. There you go. Ayan. Now, this one is my money tree. My money tree used to be like this lang. And we have one at home, which is planted on a pot. But since this is planted to the ground, look how high it is now. Super, as in, almost reaches the roof of my house. So after 10 years, ganyan na siya. Provides shade to the house. Ayan. Ganyan na siya kalaki, money tree. Tapos marami na siyang usbong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 na. Isa lang yan before. So, this is the end of my maki barrier. Ayan. Very, ano yan, very matibay. Ayan, o. Ayan, o. See, you can't easily break it. There used to be a Ternate plant here. It has blue flowers and it's used for tea. Pero namatay siya, sayang. And then here, ayan, I have some ornamental plants over here. This door has to be changed. I already have a door inside. It's made of mahogany. This one is cheap lang. So there, nabutas na siya because of the exposure to the elements. I have a mahogany door inside for installation. Hinintay ko lang mag-stop yung rain para yung trabaho dire-diretso. So, this part, ayan, hindi mo makikita inside the house kasi I have a curtain. Ayan, this portion here, I will have it renovated kasi yung portion na yan, mas wider ang gagawin ko para maprotektahan yung bagong install na door para hindi na ulit masira ng ganyan. Sa bagay, 10 years na rin naman na, so I just consider it maintenance. And then this one, this plant here, matibay din yung ano niya, matibay din yung branches niya. I don't know how it's called. Pero maganda siya. May dark green, may light green siya na shade, ganyan. And then, I have the footpath here, the footpath. Bumaba na nga yung soil kasi before, the soil is up to here, this level. Pero ngayon, tingnan mo, ang baba na, Ayan, may footpath. Excuse me. Tapos yung landing dito, it's made of, yung, what do you call this? Yung, may tawag dyan yung wash, yung small pebbles, pinagsama-sama, ayan. Medyo, I think I have to wash it with baking soda para yung mga black mawala. Para bumalik siya sa natural color of the pebbles. So this one, for renovation, I'm gonna have it like extended up to here. And then, I'm gonna design it na hanggang protected sa rain that portion para pag maglalakad ka from the car, you don't have to open an umbrella, dire-diretso to this, to the main door. So, yun ang renovations ko for next year. Ayan. I have a faucet over there for the garden. Ayan. Tapos, last week or 2 weeks ago, may pink and may purple nito. Pero nawala na yung purple And then, there's my dirty kitchen gate. So, basically, that's it. I'm gonna show you a new video by next year once the renovations are done. Bye!